This is your reminder to be your own superhero today and to start your cough syrup so that it's ready for cold and flu season. And don't forget to chop that garlic, releasing the allicin, releasing the antiviral and antibacterial properties into the syrup. You can use this after just a couple of hours if you're in a pinch, but the longer it sits, the better. Planning on about a 4-week process and hoping not to need it sooner. I also like to add about 5 to 6 cloves to the jar. This strengthens the syrup's properties and tastes delicious.